and tell me what's the exciting part of Swaziland.
This is the unique building, or the biggest building in Swaziland. They say Simukelani Eswatini, which means welcome to Eswatini. Eswatini was formerly known as Swaziland. How do you feel about your country, Swaziland?
Yes. Yeah, no, it's a great country. Yes. Yeah, it's a peaceful country.
Oh.
Yes.
Nice. In this video, I am going to tour around one of the smallest capital cities in Africa, which is Mbabane. Mbabane was established in 1902 as a colonial administrative center. It was established by British colonial administration as a capital of the British Protectorate. Britain colonized Swaziland. It became a British protectorate in 1903 after earlier influenced by both British and Boers. Eswatini does not have a president. It is an absolute monarchy, and the head of state is King Mswati III, who has ruled since 1983. The journey started early in the morning. From Johannesburg, South Africa to Mbabane, Eswatini, it's about 408 kilometers and it's a 4 hours 52 minutes drive. South Africa is one of the southern countries with good and better roads. Look at the roads, they are very nice and well labeled. On our way to Eswatini, we encountered a lot of occasions, which include this fascinating tree plantation, which is done in South Africa.
I think these trees are, furniture, books, because I know in Bombela there is also a like sort of a factory where these trees are processed in what kind of papers or whatever.
Okay. These trees, they are used to make books and other stuffs, even timber for roofing, even timber for furniture. When you are about to approach Eswatini border post, which is Ngwenya border post, you will be welcomed by mountains. Eswatini is a mountainous place. It is a home of stunning landscapes. Before we arrived in Eswatini, I was already blown away with these cinematic drone shots. I believe us as Africa, we had to showcase this beauty and hidden paradise to other continents. At this time, we were few kilometers away from Ngwenya border post, and everyone was awake and everyone was waiting to see Eswatini. Welcome to Ngwenya border post, the smartest border I ever encountered in my life. At the border post, they tell you what is inside Eswatini. As the adventurers, we had to quickly go and get assistance at the tourist room. And for you to enter Eswatini, you only need a valid passport. When it comes to cars, you just drive your car. There is no stressful paperwork. After our passport gets stamped, we proceeded with our journey, and our first stop was Ngwenya Glass Factory. The video is in the link above. To explore more, we sent our drone into the air, and this is what Eswatini looks like from above. Eswatini is one of the smallest capital cities in Africa. When it comes to hygiene, I personally give 80 out of 100. Maybe it's because of low population. Eswatini's population has shown steady growth over the years. For instance, in 2000, the population was around 1 million. By 2025, it has increased to 1.25 million. In terms of health, as of 2022, approximately 220,000 people were affected by HIV, which is 25.9%. Eswatini is the country with the highest rate of people who are affected by HIV.
This is our second stop. We just need to buy food. We are hungry now. We are hungry. So I'm buying this thing, 19 rand. Yep.
So guys, don't mind what we bought that day, because our mission was to explore, and plus we dance according to our budget.
Take my friend.
So right now we are looking. If you are in a new place, you have to get yourself SIM card for you to get network, so that you can't be lost in that country. So we are going to buy a SIM card. I don't know where exactly, but I saw Ghana will take MTN. So let me enter this way. Where is MTN? Alright, over there. So this was land. This is Ezulwini, guys. Look at the shop. It's beautiful, and Swaziland is nice.
At this moment, I was not knowing my passport was not going to buy a SIM card, and the only passport which was needed was the e-passport.
So unfortunately, there's something wrong with our passports, so we have to go back to the car and look for another passport.
Luckily, my sister-in-law's passport was able to buy a SIM card. Then we quickly bought the SIM card.
Yes, we got the new passport, so we are going back to the shop there. So let's see how it goes. Let's hope this one will work, because we are running out of time. We need to explore more of this country.
Okay, so far, did you enjoy Swaziland?
Yes.
And tell me, what's the exciting part of Swaziland now?
Ladies. Ladies and food. Cream
The
donuts.
food, I don't know.
Cream donuts. Cream donuts.
Then later, after exploring the capital city, we visited Mantenga waterfalls, and not forgetting Ezulwini cultural village, where the story of Eswatini begins. So don't forget to go and watch those videos. They are on this platform. Don't forget also to subscribe, like, comment and share. As for now, goodbye.